Why do we keep eating even when we are not hungry? Have you ever opened the refrigerator even though you are not hungry? Or reached for a bag of chips right after a full meal? Or found yourself craving a late night snack even though your stomach was not empty? For many years, obesity was simply blamed on a lack of willpower. But modern research tells a different story. Obesity is increasingly viewed as a disorder of the body's appetite regulation system. Our bodies use a remarkably sophisticated system to control eating. The first part is hunger. When your stomach is empty or your blood sugar drops, your stomach releases a hormone called ghrelin, sending a signal to your brain that it's time to eat. The second part is appetite. Appetite is different from hunger. The smell of food, pictures of delicious meals, stress, emotions, or even memories can make you want to eat, even when you are already full. In other words, appetite is controlled by your brain, sight, smell, memory, and stress working together. The third part is satiation. As you eat, your stomach expands, gut hormones are released, the vagus nerve sends a signal to your brain, and your body tells you, that's enough, stop eating. The fourth part is satiety. Even after your meal ends, gut hormones, insulin, leptin, and your gut microbiome work together to keep you feeling full for several hours. At the center of this entire system is GLP-1. GLP-1 is a hormone released from the small intestine after eating. It tells your brain you've had enough food. It also slows stomach emptying, helping food stay in your stomach longer, increase insulin release, stabilize blood sugar, and reduce hunger between meals. This is exactly why medications such as Wegovy work so well. They restore the body's natural fullness signal by enhancing GLP-1 activity. So, if you want to maintain a healthy weight, focusing only on eating less is not enough. The real goal is to restore a healthy appetite regulation system. So, how can you naturally increase GLP-1? First, eat more fiber. Fiber absorbs water, expands in your stomach, and slows digestion, keeping you full longer. When your gut bacteria ferment fiber, they produce a short-chain fatty acid which stimulates GLP-1 release. That's why fiber is nature's appetite suppressant. Second, protein. Protein keeps you full longer than carbohydrate or fat. It increases GLP-1 and other satiety hormones while reducing ghrelin, the hunger hormone. It also helps preserve muscle mass, making long-term weight control easier. Third, regular exercise. Exercise does far more than burn calories. It improves insulin sensitivity and restores your brain's response to GLP-1 and leptin, helping reset your appetite control system. First, maintain a healthy gut microbiome. Your gut microbes are hidden partners in producing fullness signals. They ferment fiber into short-chain fatty acid, which stimulate GLP-1 release and activate the vagus nerve to send satiety signal to the brain. An unhealthy gut microbiome weakens these signals and may increase appetite. Fifth, get enough sleep. Lack of sleep increases ghrelin while lowering satiety hormones. As a result, you crave more food, especially sugary and high-fat foods, even when your body does not actually need more energy. Good sleep restores this hormonal balance. Finally, manage stress. Stress raises cortisol levels, increasing appetite and making high-calorie comfort food much harder to resist. Chronic stress promotes emotional eating rather than a true hunger. Meditation, deep breathing, regular exercise, and adequate rest all help restore a healthy appetite control system. One of the most powerful ways to slow aging is to avoid overeating. But if your appetite regulation system is broken, willpower alone rarely works. Instead, focus on these 6 natural strategies: fiber, protein, exercise, a healthy gut microbiome, quality sleep, stress management, restore your appetite control system, and you may reduce obesity while helping slow the aging process as well.